that trench I dug out yesterday. The girls. That thing's blowing. Look at that. That's why I built it. Over here. Water's just running from the backyard, coming down on the sidewalk. Going through. Look through here. Going down to the gutter.